Ooh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. I hope you stay, I hope you join this family, and for those who have been here for some time, welcome back. Ninjani, I hope it's alright guys. Today it is 5 November 2025, so we are almost at the end of the year guys. I know I've not been consistent, like post on my YouTube the whole of October. Excuse me guys, I don't wanna lie, and so I think say 3 months, 3 or 4 months. Okay, ngiyakwazi ukuba consistent nama vlog like I said before ukuthi ngiyafunda, as well as umsebenzi futhi okunye umsebenzi. So I'm gonna just give you a little bit of an update on what is really going on empilweni yakhe njengoba ngaposti consistent kanje. Okokuqala, I wanna give you an update about my new treatment for hairline because as you know I'm on a treatment for my hairline, bring back my hairline. I went for consultation advanced hair in long system, and then check in a good condition. However, I'm having but it's pulling alopecia, whereas the hairline because I've been pulling it. But then the secret behind is hairline before I had like a very thick hairline. I feel I'm a weave. I tried like a couple of installations. That's when I noticed but then I wasn't pulling. I think it's because of the glue. Glue from the get-go, and so I kept on installing, like trying my installation up until late. So ngayeka like to try and install ngasengithenga le week le yamakels excuse me, engadingi ilontuzana eglueless, right? Kwase kuba ke ukuthi ke sekuqala ke inkinga zehairline yami, ngagunda because ngabuza a couple of people to mhlawumbe ohambelwa ihairline mhlawumbe ngenza kanjani. Some suggested ukuthi cut off inwele and stuff, so ngayikhatha inwele ke, but then ihairline yangaboya, so ngadecide ukuthatha le step lesokuthi ngiyibuyise back ngokwelontuzana ngoclinic. So yileyo update leyo ke. Okunye ngifuna update ngakho, ngizibhale phansi izinto engizona update ngazo because ngibuye ngingalo no local updates. Okay, yeah, okay, they gave me this shampoo. Oh god, I'm so sorry. Shampoo it's right. Yeah, ile shampoo le abanginikeze yona yakwbrand yakhona le advanced hair, bese banginikeza nale bathi i-thickening serum, angizoyibona into thickening serum, banginikeza nayo isiyaphela ke. yona. So kusasa if angiya for ilotuzana i-laser, I'm gonna have to we request, because i-treatment overall yonke is for 4,200, 4.2 $4,200, like the whole treatment for 8 months. So ngizolongiya for laser for 8 months, ngifakilo ngibuye ngizokusebenzisa lamaphilisi lawo abangenze wona, like in second step from i-laser nalawo amanye amaphilisi. Okay, la banginikeze, as you can see la, ukuthi it's a pellet ekanje amaphilisi la ngaso sweet. So you take one. So la sina le philisi lonke lenyanga, lamaphilisi wonke la awenyanga yonke. So they gave me 3 of these, so it's 3 months, our 3 months. So la uthatha 1 per day, ulifake phansi kolimi, ulimi elitheleke. Ama-side effects bengingakawezwa alontuzana eza nawo. Excuse me, I haven't encountered any of my side effects. The treatment yesibili le, so qala ngayo. Eyokuqala it was lamaphilisi lawo, which is bizwa ngokuthi Spirulina natural antidote sibanibani nanka lawa. We are increase that green part, you increase the uwaphuza uphuze elilodwa namhlanje, sasophuza u2, usola nje uphuza u3, lanja zaphele angakhi phakathi awu200 ama-tablets akhona. Asephele futhi nakhona, you go and request for another bottle. Right, yeah, i-update ke into base bethi bazonginikeza ilontuzana i-pathology request, iphepha le pathology wesamagazi. So ngizona ngithatha igazi lontuzana bangi-check elebhe, and then bawahambise khona lapha e-advance care, nami sengikhokhela ukuthi ama-items lawa kade bewa-requested. So I haven't done this one yet. Ngathi ngizoyenza mangithola isikhathi, mangithola isikhathi bese kuba ke, yeah guys, kusasa ngivule le vlog because bangayivuli kusasa. I'm not gonna open it, I don't think so, because ngizovuka ngiyazi ngivuka sengirashile ukuhamba ngiye down. So kusasa I'm thinking of going and do amazipho, my nails. Ngizokwenza my peri, ngibone mhlawumbe imeli ngizoyenza yini. Imeli ngi-skeptical kuyenza. Why? Because emsebenzini I'm wearing gloves, and ama-gloves kuyenzeka ukuthi abe manzi and stuff, izonarunile ntuzane imini yami. It's much better with some ilotuzane ipedi, because sofamba buzen yonke it secured, or akuvule ngaleso sikhathi usuhamba. Yeah guys, that was an update for today. Omunye futhi ilento le yaka teaching, as you know guys, ukuthi mina studied like ilento le i-bachelor's degree of yaka education, which is early childhood. La I was trying to ukuthi ngisebenzise le yase South Africa, however bathi badinga i-equivalence yami ne-degree yamasemzansi neyala underscore. So like for instance with my practicals insuku abazenzayo la, it's around 80 days, and thina emzansi or esikoleni mina ongoyile ngenza khona, the total number of days engawenza it was 60 something. So I'm short of insuku zelo, whereas there is why bethi they won't be able to ukuthi bangifake kwi-teachers board yala i-number of days yakhona ingalingene. So suggest ukuthi if I really wanna do like teaching la, so I better contact a university yala engihlala khona, which is Tezi, UTezi. Sorry guys, I'm feeling sleepy. I feel sleepy, but then I'm gonna have to do this. Ngabafonela ke ngabuza ukuthi what can I do in this case, so nenze njani. But there is a postgraduate certificate that you're gonna have to do in order for you to qualify to teach here in Tezi. So iyona nto consume my time guys, iyona nto isikhathi sami. I'm studying part-time while I'm working. Mind you, le ngisebenza khona manje le ngisebenza khona, it's way too different than le ngisebenza khona before. Now we have shift, uyasebenza i-night shift noma ubusebenza i-day shift. So i-night shift it's hard bakuthi kunzima, uphinde futhi nanosukwini, uphinde futhi uzofunda ngaphezulu. Kungekhona lokho kuphela, you gonna have to clean nasendlini nje kuningi, uyabo kuningi, and one uyaclean nasendlini. Le ndlu le basiqashe kuyona isidayisithe, like we are renting. I don't know how I can explain this, but then rentelwe inkampani, yabo sirentelwe inkampani la isihleli khona. So kade kukhona ilontozana in this last couple of weeks kade kufika ama viewers ezoviewa indlu ukuthi befuna ukuyithenga. So finally kukhona ke lo buyer ngebe saloke befika. So last time bewuphoqeleka ukuthi you're gonna have to tie it up, uyabo clean kubuke kahle endlini, because there are people who are coming to view the house. You're like that, uphoqeleke was first clean, keep the house clean and end it doesn't enough. So ilokho ade umambile, but then endaweni yokuclean guys, I wish I could get a helper. Yeah, with power of the help, I can feel it. I wish I could get a helper who is gonna help me with this amateurs assembly, because excuse me, it's kind of hard to stand down in Ngcolile, to be honest, especially and you know ukuthi wenze into engcolisa whatever, you're gonna have to clean it after. So kunzima and umsebenzi ngaphezulu, isikole ngaphezulu, yabo it's a lot, and I'm so exhausted. Mind you, this year I didn't take a break, like ngihambe ngikhaya or ngiyophumula for a couple of months. Angikwenzanga lokho because we jumped from omunye umsebenzi and went to another one. So ngikhathele bakwethu, ngikhathele ngixolele, ngiyafa ukukhathala, but then mangithola isikhathi I'll keep you updated like this. Makhona le ngenza khona i-video or ngikwazi ukwenza khona i-video, I'm gonna do it. But manje I'm feeling so sleepy. What else? Update ngayo just before ngilale. Okay, update, I'm not sure when, but then it's gonna take time to get updated about the business. Do you remember when you're gonna go back to my first vlog that I did here? It was at Get to Know Me Tech. There were questions there that I made. That I drafted, and then ngiyafunda and answer them. So those questions, there was a question where it was saying what do you wish before age 30, which was it's included a business, just an update, a glance And that thing, kuloko, the business is coming together, but then I don't know how and when I'm gonna update you. It's coming together and it's almost there. And it's a huge business. I'm gonna need time to explain and then the business. See, mase kuba uthi ngilifake under ini yabo yonke leyo nto leyo izodinga kulonto ngimchaze ngayo ukuthi is it i-business i-registered libizwa ngani, lisebenza ngani. Ngizoma-update futhi ngalokho konke mase kuzoba yeah, ikona lokho bakithi. La ukuthi camera yami le i-DJI, I've decided not to sell it. Why? Because ngiyasaba ukusebenzisa camera enkulu. Not just ngiyasaba, I'm not used to, so I find it kind of weird to use the camera enkulu in public. So it's better to just use DJI, and then bese ngiyasebenzisa le kuma download videos kanje. Mhlawumbe makuhamba isikhathi I'm gonna get used to sebenzisa le bese ngisebenzisa yona. Bese kuba okay, bese ngiyapdate kusasa I'm going to do my nails, hair laser, as well as my pedi. Okunye I'm thinking of going for lens ye camera, ngifuna lens encane hayi lenkulu, bese kuba i-mic. So since ngina DJI mic, I think I'm gonna use it, but then I'm gonna have to get it is a transmitter or a connector, something like that. I saw it online in order for me to be able to connect it with DJI. So I'm going to look for that. They have Norman, excuse me, they have Norman, and then okunye I'm going to look for which is called a white card. Some people are familiar with. It's some sort of it's health and safety, some sort certificate, but then like we card, they say it's what card. So Yoda is one of your phones into the call because I'm going to be doing a issue. So when the in Gombe, i-test yakhona. So i-test yakhona. So kuzodinga ama-PPE yakhona, which is hard hatting, ibuko, earplugs, nama-gloves. So ngizohamba ngihanda lezo zinto lezo kusasa, mese ngifuna nane ne-shoe rake. So ngizobheka ne-shoe rake. I-shoe rake I think ngizobheka e-Kmart mangikhona e-Target. Ngizobona ukuthi ngithola kuphi. Mese what else? Oh yeah, le ngubo le guys. Oh le ribona on my vlog. Le I bought this dress. It's a very beautiful dress. Inkinga khona and I can't take it out. I'm gonna have to go back at Target. But then for now I can't, because when before with my there was a pants that I bought in one of the stores including ngangithengile, and since it was kind of far to go back to town, so we decided to just so ngacela my partner to ukuthi angihle yona. What happened is yarona ibhulukwe lebhruku futhi namanje it's a grey pants. I think it's a yoga pant. Mhlawumbe yayazi. It's a grey yoga pant. Phindanga ngabe ngayigqoko ziyavele yaba nembobo futhi kulokuthi unginte ethunginte eseyinqini. Yabona nje yavele yadestroy. So I don't want to try that with this dress because yeah guys, that's all. So izobonana kusasa nawe. Kusasa mase ngiya 8. Bye guys.